Hong Kong-Macau Greater Bay Area development is a key national strategy. Located in southwest Shenzhen, Qianhai is a key demonstration zone for Hong Kong-Shenzhen cooperation. In 2021, the State Council promulgated the plan for comprehensive deepening reform and opening up of the Qianhai-Shenzhen-Hong Kong Modern Service Industry Cooperation Zone, enlarging Qianhai's area from nearly 15 square kilometers to over 120 square kilometers by 7 times, covering a number of economically developed areas with ancillary living facilities, thereby developing Qianhai into a GBA cooperation platform.
前海一直堅持以依託香港、服務內地、面向世界嘅目標定位開發建設嘅。咁多年嚟，港深兩地政府做咗大量嘅工作，為香港嘅現代服務業進入前海搭橋開路。
In 2023, the Qianhai Overall Development Plan was promulgated, covering facilitating initiatives for Hong Kong people and enterprises pursuing development in Qianhai. To establish the Shenzhen-Hong Kong Deeply Integrated Development Leading Area and promote high-quality development of modern service industry.
这两个形成的定位呢，主要的考虑就是要发挥前海深港合作区的战略功能，为香港呢背靠祖国、连同世界发挥重要的支撑作用。
Policies target Hong Kong's professional services, including financial, legal, logistics, and construction sectors, to expedite alignment of rules and mechanisms and enrich the coordinated development of GBA, thus enabling various industries to capitalize on their strengths.
對銀行嚟講，無論係喺個人銀行業務啦，或者係企業銀行業務方面咧，其實都係充滿住好多嘅商機啦，好多係機遇。
我哋全香港嘅建築師都可以參與去幫助整個大灣區，甚至廣東省，甚至全國嘅服務。
我哋香港嘅律師咧，又係中英雙語都可以精通啦，而且了解內地嘅文化，係同內地之間個協作咧，發揮到積極嘅作用。
Besides business facilitation, Qianhai is actively developing ancillary living facilities, with a view to serving Hong Kong economic development, supporting Hong Kong talents and enterprises to expand into the mainland, and further consolidating and enhancing Hong Kong's international status.
前海總規咧係納入咗多項惠及香港、有利於大灣區同埋國家發展嘅政策措施。大灣區深化粵港澳嘅合作，發揮香港、澳門兩個特區以及廣東省9個城市之間嘅互補優勢，促進人流、物流、資金流、信息流高效嘅便捷流動，推動經濟協同嘅發展。目標咧就係建設一個宜居、宜業、宜遊嘅國際一流灣區。